Let's talk about Brussels sprouts and root veg. I know you think you hate them, but hear me out. Fall veg, not just sprouts, are some of the best vegetables you can cook with for your microbiome or gut health. They're affordable, naturally sweet when they hit high heat, and they're brilliant for your gut, especially at this time of the year. Stay to the end and guess which one will I have for my dinner. Let's start with Brussels sprouts. These roast in 20 minutes and they're nothing like the boiled ones you might remember. Today I'm toasting them with hoisin, soy, ginger and garlic. They get glossy, caramelized and slightly sticky, perfect in a sandwich or bowl. Baby or chantenay carrots. These are perfect for a quick weeknight cooking because you don't have to peel them. Today I like to roast them with balsamic glaze, garlic and thyme, and I grate in a bit of orange zest too. They're packed with carotenoids, which become more bioavailable when the carrots are cooked with a bit of fat, so drizzle generously with olive oil. I have both trays ready. They can both go in the oven at the same time. From this to this. Wow, this is beautiful. A little bit crunchy, but mostly soft, very sweet. I love them. Hey, if you're a Brussels sprout hater, give this a try. I like to eat everything with bread, so I make a sandwich. Sourdough with a quick yogurt, garlic, miso tahini spread, warm hoisin glazed sprouts, and a little Stilton. It's a bit unconventional, but it's ridiculous when everything is slightly warm, a little sticky, and so comforting. I'm sure you like Brussels sprouts. The carrots roast at the same temperature as the sprouts, so you can always put them in together. They are beautiful in a simple grain bowl. I'm using Spelt today with blue cheese, but feta works just as well, and drizzle with a little balsamic vinegar. You can also pile these onto a creamy bean hummus. Celeriac is the unsung hero of the root veg world. Underneath this bit ugly skin, it's a lot of flavor. Today I like to do something fresh with it. A winter celeriac slaw. Celeriac ribbons, crunchy apple, carrot. The same dressing as the sandwich. I'll link the full recipe in the description. And I like to top it with this quick pickled red onion, which is always in my fridge. This is one of my favorite ways to use celeriac. It's crisp and bright, but still feels seasonal. Parsnips are naturally sweet and earthy, and that flavor deepens when they caramelize. If you're meal prepping, roast a tray on a Sunday and toss them through salads or grain balls through the week. Again, really simple, just a little bit of sea salt. I like some maple syrup to get that caramelization going. I like some pink pepper with this one. And a little bit more thyme, and I will put some fresh one right at the end. A bit more olive oil. I like them sweet and a bit sticky. When they come out of the oven, I add a drizzle of maple or hot honey, thyme and a little salt, then some roasted hazelnuts for crunch. It just sends them in a totally different direction. If you want a single veg that does everything, pick cabbage. Today I'm going to roast these baby cabbages. Cabbage is one of the most underrated gut-friendly foods. I use red cabbage to ferment it into pink sauerkraut, but even cooked cabbage has plenty of fiber and antioxidants. Eat it with some garlic, any seasoning that you like. I like this peri-peri with got a little bit of spice. Chinese 5 spice would probably work really well here. Whoops. And that's it. Ready for the oven. Look at those sweet caramelized edges. While they're still hot, I hit them with a little chili oil to wake everything up, grated parmesan, and this is my dinner tonight. If you guessed cabbage, you got it right. Let me know your favorite in the comments.